Just step touch, ladies, step touch. You got it, step touch. See, I did this earlier and then it got really loud. So you're gonna think 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Feet apart, hands up. Take it back, same thing. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, hands out. Now the hands out to the side. Dive forward. Walk your feet, walk your feet. Hands. Dive it forward. Walk your feet. Almost fell down. Single down. 2. Do it again. Roll it back. Single double. Welcome to Hip Hop Cardio, ladies. My name's JB. This is Sierra. Ribs are gonna slide. We are your hosts for the next 57 minutes. Hips are gonna go side to side. Remember, this is just about moving. If we do a move you don't like, just march or skip in place. Slow hip circle. Give me 2. All the way around. Peanut butter. 2 circles. Light it up, light it up. I don't even know what the words are. Bring it up. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Hands out. Take it back. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Hands out. Something new coming up. Grapevine. Hips. Take it out. Here we go. It's an up and a down and a up and a down. Grapevine. Here we go. Up, down, up, down. One more. Walk it up. Tab it out, tab it front. 4, 3, 2, 1. Out first. 4, 3, 2, 1. Out. 4, 3, 2. Take it back. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Hands up. Take it back. Here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Hands. One more time up. Here we go. 1, 2. Hands. Last time. Hands out. Then we dive. Forward. Step. Hands up. And dive. Walk it. Now let's go back this time. Single, double, double. Single, triple. Hands up. So pretty. Up. 1, 2. Hands.